In this video, I'll show you how to reverse an annual leave in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to the employee management section. And down below, you want to click on leave. Now, once you click on leave, it will take you to the current leave section. And in here, you have a to review as well as the upcoming leave in which you have approved. Now, let's say that on Oliver Gray, he has an annual leave. And on the right hand side, if we simply click on approve, then the leave request will automatically be approved. Now, let's say you want to take back that approval. So, what you want to do is simply head over to the upcoming section. And down below, you will see the type of leave in which they have added. This will be an annual leave. On the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions on that employee. And at the bottom, just simply click on reject. Now, once you click on reject, it will automatically be removed on the upcoming. And at the top, if you click on the history tab, in here you will see the exact employee name in which we have rejected their annual leave. So on the right hand side, if we click on the three dots for more actions again, we can even view the request. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.